now. The latest one suggests that Riya and her family members will be summoned next by the CBI. Summons will be issued shortly. Shravan is joining us with more updates on this. Shravan, what more do we know? So Riya Chakrabarti and her father is now being said will be summoned by the CBI.
Well, in fact, now the focus completely changes on the prime accused in this particular case, which happens to be accused number one, that is Riya Chakrabarti herself, and then her father, Indrajit Chakrabarti, and brother Shouvik Chakrabarti. They happen to be one of the accused in this particular case who have been named in the FIR by the Central Bureau of Investigation. So that is going to be the focus right now. As far as the summons are concerned, Amita, there is still no clarity as of now whether at all the summons have already been issued. But we are being told that the next step would essentially be with the summons to be sent across to Riya Chakrabarti to basically join the probe, which would essentially mean that in the days to come, you would have Riya Chakrabarti. It could even happen today, Amita, that the Central Bureau of Investigation actually goes ahead with the questioning of Riya Chakrabarti.
And what about the CAs of both Riya and also Sushant and Shruti Modi, the former manager? Shravan, all three of them that have been previously questioned by the ED, and now the CBI will be calling upon them.
Well, as far as those who have basically been connected to the case, we have already seen the house staffers have already been questioned. Now they are basically also looking at the financial angle, because remember, Amita, in the FIR that has been registered so far, the complainant in this particular case has also spoken about how his son's bank accounts were being controlled by Riya Chakrabarti and her family members. Hence, that is the reason why you're looking at the Central Bureau of Investigation now calling in the chartered accountants of Sushant Singh Rajput as well as Riya Chakrabarti for further questioning. So there is one aspect of the financial angle that is now going to be touched upon by the Central Bureau of Investigation, certainly not in the depth that perhaps the Enforcement Directorate has done so far. But whether at all this basically moves ahead with the one of the main charges that have been leveled, that's abetment to suicide, how exactly is exactly the financial angle and instigation.
Well, Shravan, because we are just playing out exclusive pictures and you can also speak over them. Siddharth Pithani is back at the guest house. So this is for the third consecutive day that he's been questioned. We are looking at others as well, Deepesh Sawant and Neeraj, and we are looking at how separately they were questioned and then put together, corroborating their statements, whether or not they match. Shravan.
So, see, Siddharth Pithani, the reason why he's been called innumerable times now by the Central Bureau of Investigation is, one, because there have been inconsistencies. Second, with regards to Siddharth Pithani, he happens to be one of the first responders, simply going by his own claims. The fact that he says that when he opened the door, he found the late actor hanging by the ceiling. Now, that is the claim that he has essentially made. Now, it is important that that claim has to be corroborated at various levels. That is the reason why we're looking at Siddharth Pithani, who was taken to the crime scene. He was there with the Central Bureau of Investigation and the forensic team trying to recreate that entire scene. Now, why the recreation becomes important and why the testimony of someone like Neeraj as well as Siddharth Pithani become important, because through their eyes, the Central Bureau of Investigation is going to try and reconstruct the entire crime scene once.
And now it seems that the locksmith and majorly Shravan, these are the very same individuals who were already stung, and then they were also, their statements where they had played out several inconsistencies, and Republic was one of them leading the investigation. And when it comes to the locksmith too that we spoke to, he now, it is being said, will be taken over to the flat and will be asked to recreate what had happened at the time when he was called in, according to his version, by Siddharth Pithani, to reach the residence of Sushant Singh Rajput on the 14th of June. Thanks very much, Shravan, for joining in. So Riya and her